How cute is this gift box? I made this using wired ribbon. Wired ribbon is so easy to use. Most people don't know about it. This is what most professional wrappers use to wrap their gift boxes. And I'm going to show you how to get this look for your gift boxes. You will need wire ribbon. Wire ribbon is easy to find. Just go to your local craft store, but I'll link some for you guys. It has a small amount of wire inside, and that makes it easy to bend and to move. For this gift box, I used this wire ribbon, and for this look, you can see that these look connected, but they're not. You want to do the bottom first, and you can see they're not tacked down. I did that on purpose. I wanted to show you that with wired ribbon, you can play with it for a little bit because it's wired. You can bend it to mold and fit the shape of your box or your project. I will glue these once I finish my box. Now you want to do the same technique for the top. You can see the top is not down yet, so I put white ribbon on one side across and two sides across. And then you just line it up and put it on top. Now what you'll do is glue it because you're done, and then you'll work on the bow. So the bow is separate. You tie the bow once you completed all the steps, and then you'll have this cute little box.